the Shavyfx hub SAU USD 1 hour time frame structure. We we made a forecast market Sydney open and into Tokyo about 400 pip drop, and lo and behold, market have dropped significantly from 2,684 into 2,663. A significant over 200 pip drop from the market. So the truth remains that there's a very high probability that market will drop 400 pip, like I earlier said. Where we'll begin to look at this market from a potential buy perspective will be at this level. At this level, we'll begin to look at buy opportunity, begin to look at potential buy opportunity at this level. But however, as a technical trader, I have a marked up trend line where buying would be expected. The most important thing we're looking out for will be buying from the break of a previous low, which is technically a break of structure. What structure was broken? The support structure. But we have to maintain a pattern, and that consistency being maintained, it's what gives us the leverage for a big payday. So here we see an descending trend line is a descending trend line, a descending trend line, and you look at it, it's a descending trend line, another descending trend line. Gosh. So this is it. So what we expect here is that price play 1 hour structure is very important to me. 1 hour gives us a clear point-to-point system in dealing with price. It gives a clear point-to-point system, and you can see this is a support structure. So on this support structure, we have price come back to retest the support structure. This is a resistance structure, a breakout resistance structure. Price returns on demand, and we have another support structure test here where we have a double confluence from our ascending trend line, and a break of that structure price came back on retest. So we'll be looking at it from multiple perspectives to see how price perfectly plays into our trap. So patience is key and critical. We've missed a couple of moves, but it's nothing to worry about. Patience is key and critical. So we let price play into our nets, then we take action. Now on this rally, where did this rally start buying? This rally started buying at this level. So we wait for price at that level to return where it started its bullish rally after the bearish 1,000 pip drop. So we'll be looking at price at 2643 into 2658. We want to see the reaction. A breaker from 50, breaker from where price is at the moment will ultimately expose price to a more bearish level where we expect price to further plummet. So a drop at 2,658 will be watched actively, and the price has rejected that level. A touch at that level where we'll have also double confluence on 1 hour break of structure. We have here support structure, break of support structure. Price came on retest, break of resistance structure. Price came on retest. So it's retesting a 1 hour broken structure, and that price action holds. We have a temporary roof running concurrently, and we continue to see how this roof holds price. So you can see this roof, very active roof. So what I want to see here is price playing to this structure. Price have come into this space and got rejected. Look at the price action, support structure, break of support structure. Price came down, broke it because it picked liquidity from the floor and came down, retested the structure, tapped in to retest the roof, a long-term ascending trend line where we meet a further resistance to upswing from the structure from the top layer. And at this level, we are praying to see if price can make its way up If it is possible to make its way up into 2673, that would be a nice time to look for a sell opportunity. Or we'll look at if price possibly will maintain this structure. If they maintain this structure to come back to retest the the high open of the day, it will watch to see if price return here. But this is unlikely. This is very, very unlikely. We don't see that happening. But let's watch and see what price does at this level, because gold is really setting itself up for itself. It's setting itself for itself. If it breaks out from here, then we'll see this place. And ultimately, where I see this coming is if we break out from this structure, it will come here and consolidate and ultimately come down here at 2000 at 2006-13. But I think what market will do in more extreme cases to tap liquidity from a whole number. So I expect price to come at 2,600 into 2,603 for a buy based on what price is doing. So buy gold 2,600 into 2,603. That is what I see based on the structure of the market. So this is what I see based on this structure, based on 1 hour Shavyfx hub. Shavyfx hub. So this is what I see